वेलकम टू लर्न शॉर्ट एंड टाइपिंग विद विकास सर। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का हमारा 27 को एग्ज़ाम है और कुछ बच्चों की इंक्वायरी आ रही है कि सर वहाँ पे ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के लिए आपको 20 मिनट दिया जाएगा, 5 मिनट की डिक्टेशन होगी आपकी, और रीडिंग के लिए आपको 5 मिनट या 10 मिनट मिल सकती है। रीडिंग के वो देंगे नहीं, लेकिन आपकी रीडिंग इतनी फास्ट होनी चाहिए कि आप बिल्कुल मतलब 20-25 यानी 1 मिनट मिलेगी आपको रीडिंग करने के। 400 वर्ड है, इसको अच्छे तरह से आप 1 मिनट में ही रीडिंग कर सकते हो। अगर आपकी रीडिंग हो गई तो टाइपिंग भी आपकी हो ही गई है आपकी। और आपका जो भी उन्होंने नोटिफिकेशन जारी किया है, जैसे हम कैसे कैसे चेक करेंगे वो आपको वो मिल जाएगा, आपको साइट पे ही मिल जाएगा। इसलिए अपनी तैयारी को, प्रिपरेशन को अच्छी तरह से करें। और आपका 400 वर्ड से ही हम बोल रहे हैं आपके 90 word per minutes. Be ready, start. There is no dispute that the college is a religious minority institution and is affiliated to Baghdad University, and it also receives aid from the state government. The impugned order contained in Annex 24 shows that show cause was called from the petitioner through registered post within 30 days, but when show cause was not received, opportunity to participate in the inquiry was granted by issuing advertisement in the newspapers. Allegedly, the petitioner did not participate, and hence two-man internal inquiry committee submitted its report, which was considered by the managing committee of the college, and ultimately it passed the order dismissing the petitioner from service with effect from 26/4/2010. This writ petition was initially considered by a learned single judge on behalf of respondents numbers 9 and 10. A preliminary objection was raised regarding maintainability of this writ petition against decision of governing body of an affiliated private minority college. Reliance was placed upon judgment of same learned single judge in the case of Rajkumar Gupta versus Central Board of Secondary Education and others 2011 ब्रैकेट में 3 PLJR 120, wherein it was held that writ petition against managing committee of a private college was not maintainable because such college is not state within the meaning of Article 12 of the Constitution of India. On behalf of the petitioner, a large number of judgments of the Supreme Court were relied upon in support of the plea that the writ petition was maintainable even against a minority affiliated college which was receiving aid from the state and was bound by regulatory provisions of the concerned university to which it was affiliated. Considering the importance of the issue, the writ petition was admitted and matter was referred for hearing by a division bench. In the order of reference, learned single judge has also noted some judgments which were cited on behalf of petitioner for persuading this court to take a contrary view. The division bench judgment of this court in the case of Srimati Radha Kumari Singh in bracket Supra found that the writ petition was against a non-statutory body such as the governing body of a private college, and there was no allegation of any infraction of any statutory provision, and hence this judgment it was held that the writ petition is not maintainable. This judgment considered a large number of decisions of the Supreme Court to arrive at the aforesaid conclusions. Full stop. स्टूडेंट देखिए, जैसे कि आप जैसे नोटिफिकेशन में सब कुछ जारी किया हुआ है कि आपको कितनी मिस्टेक है, लेकिन मिस्टेक उसमें ऐसा है कि आप 5 या 10 ही मिस्टेक मान के चलिए। आप 400 वर्डों में कोई ज़्यादा मिस्टेक नहीं आपको काउंट की जाएगी उसमें, और आपकी हाफ मिस्टेक कोई काउंट नहीं की जाएगी, आपकी फुल मिस्टेक ही काउंट की जाएगी। और ज़्यादा आपको अच्छे से जानकारी लेनी है तो आप पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट की साइट पे जाइए, वेबसाइट पे, उस पे जाके आप चेक कर सकते हैं। और इसका आपको पीडीएफ फॉर्म में हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। धन्यवाद।